When we look at digital currencies and the likelihood that they will disrupt, if you will, the existing payment ecosystem, we find that you really have to dissect it by country because there's some very, very broad swings depending on which country, specific countries you're looking at. And I guess the way I would frame it is that we see this following somewhat the maturity and adoption of other payment systems. So for example, mobile payments, mobile commerce, if you will, mobile banking. Those things took off much quicker in emerging economies. And I'll use China as an example where they have led the US, by contrast, for years and years in the use of these technologies. And a lot of that, what's driving that is a little bit of the maturity and sophistication of the regulatory environment, the banking systems that exist or don't exist. In many cases, you're reaching the unbanked, if you will, in emerging economies, versus in somewhere like the US or parts of Europe, it's really more of a convenience. I use my credit card versus some other way to pay.